Here I have CAT S53, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after your device turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see CAT logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. And then you will end up in recovery mode. So here at the recovery you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.